Hello, folks. Lon Jenkins here. Back in the shed, a little shed talk again. You want to start a budget for this upcoming year. Plan now on how you want your lawn to look. I average in the 40s as far as cuts per season. When I'm using my Toro 30 inch, that 30 inch has about a 1.2 quart fuel capacity. I don't use quite a full tank on every cut. So if I use 1 quart per cut and I'm cutting in the 40s, let's say that I do 45 cuts per season. We're just going to go, in between 40 and 50. I do 45 cuts per season. Well, now all I have to do is divide 4 quarts, which is a gallon, into those 45 cuts. And then I know how many gallons I'm going to use roughly or approximately. That tells me I'm going to use about 11 gallons of gas just to cut. And if I do a mid-range of, say, $3 a gallon for gas, you can, obviously, you guys get points with your credit cards or the grocery store or whatever. That puts me at around $33. Now, my Honda, the HRX 217, I think it's the KV model, it doesn't even hold a quart of gas, okay? So most of you out there that are just getting started, you'll probably want to, look at these numbers because that's the average 21 inch, 22 inch cut mower. If I use 1 quart, with that, I can use those same calculations as I did with the Toro. So if you're the type that you have a 5,000 square foot lawn and you're using a half a quart. All right, so then you're probably going to use $16 to $20 in gas a year or a season, a lawn season. There's other numbers that'll be added to that, like blowing the lawn with your blower, trimming. I have both a gas and a battery blower. I'll show you real quick. So I have this right here, this DeWalt. This is a battery blower. This would be perfectly fine for a 5,000 square foot lawn. Now, if you have a ton of trees, you might want something a little more powerful than this. Same with the weed trimmer, So I use that much because I'm cutting 9,000 square feet of lawn. That gives you an idea of how much gas you're going to use with that. And then if you buy battery operated blower and trimmer, then same thing. Your gas price is just not that much.